Today we will start the new chapter, that is chapter 12, Rise of Indian Nationalism. So the first topic is Impact of British Rule. Modern Indian nationalism arose to meet the challenge of foreign domination. So the modern Indian nationalism, it arises when the foreign started dominating the Indian people. It was a reaction to the oppressive and exploitative nature of the British rule and the clash of interests of the Indian people with those of the British. So the reaction of, you can say, being exploited and being dominated by the British rule and the clash of interests, that means the Indian people wanted that British should be thrown out from our India so that we can live peacefully. So this was the situation where what the British rule were doing in our India. The British had conquered India to promote their own interest. So the British had captured India so that they can promote their own interest and they can capture as many as areas under their territory, which they did by sacrificing the interest of the Indians. So how did they win or they capture our most of the areas of India? By sacrificing the interest of the Indian people, by dominating them. Exploitation before 1857 was direct and harsh. So the exploitation before the year 1857 was direct and harsh. They used to ill-treat the Indian people by beating them, by putting them in jail. After 1857, it was subtle and systematic. So after the revolt of 1857, the punishment or the exploitation was in a systematic way. Before 1857, India was exploited by a company. So before 1857 or revolt of 1857, India was exploited by a company, that is East India Company. After 1857, she was exploited by a nation. So after the 1857, when the Queen, she took over the control over the Indian territory, the whole Britain started to exploit India. The impact of this exploitation was felt by almost all sections of the Indian society. So the exploitation which was done by the British rule, it was suffered and felt by all the section of the Indian society, not only Hindus but also Muslim, Christian, Buddhism, Sikh, Isai, and so on. But it took several decades to comprehend the true nature of British rules. But the Indian people took you can say more than 100 years or 150 years to understand what actually the British were trying to do to their country and what were the main aim of British rule in order to capture the India and establish the link between British policies and Indians' growing poverty. So by taking the advantages of India's poverty, British took the advantages and they have established different British policies in India and forced Indian people to follow those rules and regulations. And if they will not follow, they will be put in jail and they will be punished.